So here's the fourth part of this video and with the question, what is API testing? API testing ensures that the API that the software is using work as expected. The tested write code that makes the API request to the server that provides the API, provides the required inputs, collect the outputs from the response and matches the actual output with the expected output. So API testing primarily concerns the business logic of the software that exposing the API. It does not involve the look and feel and accessibility or usability of the software. API testing can be automated to make it repeatable and reproducible each time they run. We will also cover what is API in the further videos for the brief knowledge of API. So right now this is just a basic question, what is API testing? So what do you mean by code coverage? Code coverage is one of the important testing metric. It indicates the ratio of the code coverage under unit test to the entire code base. Code coverage of 50% means that the unit tests cover the half of the code base. It is crucial to keep in mind that 100% code coverage doesn't mean that the software is error free or there is no bugs. It just means that the unit test covers all the code. However, it's still possible that the test doesn't test all branches that code could have or the problem with the business logic execution. So what are the benefits of manual testing? Till now you come to know what is manual testing and automation testing. So what are the benefits of manual testing you have? So there are several advantages of the manual testing. It is preferable for products with a short life cycle, saves time, money, and resource, ensures the error-free product, useful in ad hoc testing, exploratory testing, usability testing. No need to change the entire code or the make minor changes or get accurate user interface feedback, accessible to handle different use cases, and GUI testing can be done accurately, high reliable, make user friendliness better, easy to learn for new testers. So these are the basic benefits of a manual testing. Also there are a few drawbacks of the manual testing. So they are not suitable for time bounded projects and large organizations, more prone to human errors and mistakes, less efficient as a choice of recording and technique process is not available, less reliable, regression testing is on time consuming, do not cover all aspects of testing, low testing and performance testing can be performed manually, and more expensive as run for a long run process. So next question is, what is the procedure for manual testing? So there is not such a big procedure. There are few as planning and control, analysis and design, implementation and execution, executing exist criteria and reporting, and then the last test exposure activities. Okay, so write different types of manual testing. Black box testing, white box testing, unit testing, system testing, integration testing, acceptance testing, performance testing, load testing. So these are the few basic types of manual testing. Name some of the manual testing tools. Okay, so some of the manual testing tools are Postman, message queuing monitors, DB tools. These are the few testing tools. Okay, so next question is, when will you choose automated testing over manual testing? So benefits of the automation testing over manual testing. So when test cases need to be run repeatedly for a long duration of time, you always use automation testing. When one needs to perform regression testing, performance testing, or load testing. When one wants to record the testing process, or you have less time to complete the testing phases. When the test needs to be executed in a standard runtime environment, or it may include repetitive steps. Or when you are multiple and quick deployments for the product, manual becomes very time-taking and redundant. Is when will you choose manual testing over automated testing? So here are the benefits of manual testing over automation testing, and those are when test cases need to be run for a short duration of time once or twice, when one needs to perform ad hoc testing, exploratory testing, usability testing, when one wants to ensure the user friendliness of the application, when flexibility is required, and when one wants to better handle the complex scenarios. These are the things when you need manual testing over automation testing. So last question of this video is name some methods that can be used in code coverage. So these are statement coverage, decision coverage, branch coverage, toggle coverage, and also we will briefly explain all these terms in the future videos. So meet you in the next part. Bye bye.